Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, August the 13th, 2019. The time is 3:45 a.m. GMT. We're looking at the chart of the GDX here. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here that the rally from this low on August the 1st, this rally is labeled as a 5 waves, ended with one right here, and currently GDX is doing some sort of a overlapping corrective correction. All right, this is quite corrective so far, and we are looking for this pullback to find support pretty soon here. This is the area 28.8, 28.09 that we think GDX can find another buyers again, and from here we can either go to new high, resuming the leg higher in with 3 or 5, or it can at least bounce in 3 waves and then do another leg lower if it is doing a larger double correction. Okay, the idea then is that as far as this invalidation level, as far as this pivot on August the 1st remains holding, we like more upside. The right side is up with a green stem, so that means we don't like selling GDX, and we continue to like more upside in the gold miners right here. All right, so if we step out a little bit, looking at the larger picture here, I'm going to move this with 4 right here. Okay, so this wave 4 is here and this is 3. Okay, so we are currently within the wave 5. Now if we take a look at the cycle from September last year, alright, now we can see that it has rallied in 3 swings, and so far it is looking impulsive. We can see that it is about to reach the 161.8 extension. Typically that's where the wave 3 is. It has an extension at least 161.8. so then we can see right here, if this count here is correct, so we can say that okay, this is with 1, larger degree with 1, right? So something like this, we can say this is with 1 and this is with 2. And if that's the case, then we should not be too far away to finish this with 3 right now. Okay, so I think we can get to at least $30.45, if not a little bit more, but we should be ending with 3 relatively soon. But since we do have an extension here, that doesn't mean the rally is going to be finished and we're going to get a major pullback or anything like that. I think we're still going to see a wave 4 in blue, right, in blue degree later on, followed by another leg higher. Now even within this wave 5 of 3 right now, we still can see another extension higher past beyond $30.45. You can see right here in the 1 hour chart, this is with 1 of 5 right? So this is only with 1 of 5 right here, and right, so this is only with 105, so that means within the wave 5 in black we can see further extension as a 5 ways up. All right, anyway, we should at least get into $30.45 at least, and even more, and that's why even in the shorter cycle we likely still gonna get another extension higher in the GDX, since we have not reached the 1.618 extension yet. All right, so this will be the next sort of support area for the GDX. All right, so if you enjoy this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and also we still have 50% promotion. It's going to expire this the middle of the week. All right, so if you plan to subscribe, then this is going to be the last week for the 50% promotion. And also we also have a 14 days free trial as well. All the links is going to be provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.